time for another episode of the ABCs of real estate. We are on letter H, and I have to be honest, I had a hard time coming up with an H, but what I settled on is homeowners insurance. And this is something I happen to know a little bit about. For those who have known me long enough, you know, before I was in real estate, I was in homeowners insurance. I worked as an inside claims adjuster for a big insurance company. And what I did mostly was I helped people who had just had their house burned down or flooded, or a tornado came through and ripped their house apart. So I was mostly holding people's hands who had just gone through a really devastating time in their lives. I learned a lot of customer service and a lot about architecture and houses in general. But what was really nice when I made the transition to real estate is I got to help people through what is generally a very joyful time and transition in their lives. So homeowners insurance I did want to talk about today only because if you are a buyer, sometimes you don't know that it's important for you to find out what it's going to cost you to insure your home right when you go under contract. And especially if there's any way to possibly avoid the contract if the insurance rate comes up very high. Certain parts of the country right now, there are really astronomical increases in insurance rates. So make sure that you're researching this right when you get your house under contract that you're going to purchase. And a lot of people also don't know that the insurance rate actually rides not just with the house, but with your claims history too. So your insurance provider, when you contact them with the address of the home you're purchasing, is going to run what was called a clue report, which is a claims history report on you and your house, and then we'll give you an idea of what it will cost you to insure that house every month.